Hi everyone. Uh, we'll see the next part of batch costing. Okay, we'll see some other types of problem under this video. See the page number 4 and question number 15. Page number 4, question number 15. The following information relates to the manufacturing of a component AM20 in a factory. Cost, see the information, cost of material rupees 1.20 per unit. Operators wage, how much? Rupees 18 per hour. Machine hour rate rupees 30. Setting up time of the machine is 2 hours and 20 minutes. Time required for production is 10 minutes per unit. Prepare a cost sheet showing the production cost and setting up cost and cost per unit when the batch consists of 100 units and 1000 units. Okay, under this we need to find out the carrying cost and the setting up of production cost and the setting up cost of 1000 units and 100 units separately. Okay, see, first setting up time of the machine is 2 hours and 20 minutes. Okay, first we need to calculate, see, calculation of time taken for setting up of, okay, time taken for setting up. See how much time taken for setting up of the machine. To set the machine, 2 hours means each hour means 60 minutes, 60 120 plus 20 minutes 140 minutes, or we can convert into the hours. Okay, how we can write 140 divided by 60. 140 divided by 60 is equal to 2.33 hours. We are just converting to the hours. 2.33 hours. Okay, 140 minutes divided by 60. 60 is what? 60 is minutes per hour. Okay, 60, how much? 2.33 hours. Next, calculation of time taken for the production. Time taken for the production. See, time required for production is 10 minutes per unit. For 1 unit we need the 10 minutes. Okay, so we need here for the 100 units and 1000 units. First we will see time taken for 1 unit of product is 10 minutes. Then for the 100 units how much? 1 unit 10. Then for 100 units how much? How much? 1000 minutes. 1000 minutes. Here also we need to convert for the hour. Hour means how to convert for the hour? See, how to convert for the hour? 1000 minutes divided by 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 16.67 hours. Then for 1000 units, for 1 unit 10 minutes. For 1000 units how many units? 10,000 minutes. 10,000 minutes divided by 60 minutes, how much? 166.67 hours. Okay, so times for the production of 1000 units, how much time you need? 16.67. For the 1000 units, by 1, setting up cost and the production expenses. Okay, under these you just remember, always the setting up cost means at the time of the setting up of the production, it is a fixed cost. Always the setting up cost is the fixed cost and the production expenses are there, right? Production expenses are the always variable. So we need to find out the setting up cost as well as the production expenses. Okay, first we will calculation of the machine wages. Okay, calculation of wages. Here you just remember, wages incurred at the time of the setting, right? At the time of the setting of the machine we need the labors, we have to pay the wages for them, and also at the time of the production we need the labors, we have to pay the wages for them. So wages at the time of the setting up and wages at the time of the production we need to calculate. Okay, so calculation of wages, and that first one for setting up of the machine. Okay, for the setting up of the machine, how to calculate? Time required for the setting up into wage per hour. See, time required for the setting up is how many hours? 2.33 hours. Wage per hour is operate wages. How much? 18 rupees. 2.33 into 18 is equal to rupees 42. Okay, rupees 42. Next, production of component. Now wages for the production. Okay, for the production 100 units is different. Two types of productions are there, 100 units and 1000 units. Okay, for 100 units, see the above calculation. 100 units need how many hours? 16.67 hours. 16 point, this is C, rupees 18 is same, rupees 18. So how much? 300. Next, for 1000 units, how many hours? 166.67 into same 18. How much? Rupees 3000. Okay, this is the calculation of the wages. Okay, calculation of wages for the setting up and the production. Now calculation of the production expenses or machine expenses. Okay, at the time of setting up of the machine, after the time of the setting up of the machine, okay, 2.33 into machine hour rate, machine expenses, machine hour rate is how much? 30, okay, 30, 2.33 into 30 equal to rupees 70. Okay, next, at the time of the production, machine expenses is how much? Okay, at the time of production, production means two types of productions are there, 1000 units and 100 units. First 100 units, okay, machine hours how much? 16.67 for 100 into rate is how much? Machine hour rate is how much? 30. So rupees 5000. So now 1000 units means how many hours? 166.67 hours into machine hour rate is how much? 30 equal to 5000. Okay, equal to 5000. Okay, next we need to prepare the statement of cost or statement of cost for the AM20. You need to prepare the particulars, so and 6 amount column, particulars for 100 units and 1000 units under and the cost per unit. Okay, next, now first we will write the fixed cost and then we will write the variable cost. Okay, under the setting up fixed cost is the which is the setting up cost. Okay, to set the machine, it is a fixed, right? It won't change from units to units, it's fixed. So setting up cost, it is a fixed. Okay, at the time of the setting up of the machine, we incur two types of cost. It is, one is the payment of salary, means wages. One more is the machine expenses, right? Now write setting up cost under the wages. Setting up cost under that wages, how much? 42. See, 42. Then machine expenses, how much? 70. At the time of the setting up of machine, wages is 42 and at the time of the setting up of the machine expenses is 70. So 42 plus 70 equal to 112. Okay, now cost per unit 112 divided by number of units, how much? 100 units, right? 100. Okay, how much? 1.12. Okay, next for 1000 units, setting up cost is same. It is a fixed from units to units. There is no changes as per the changes in the units. Okay, it's fixed. So same 42, 70, total is 112. So 0.42, 0.070. It is not coming. 42 divided by 1000, 70 divided by 1000. So 0.112. Okay, next we will see the production expenses. Production expenses are variable. If there is a more production, expenses are more. If there is a less production, expenses wages and the machine expenses, right? Okay, material, see how to write the material. See the first portion of the problem. Cost of material rupees 1 1.20 per unit. Okay, 1.20 per unit. Under this, how many units? First one, 100 into 1.20. One more is 1000 units. 1000 into 1.20. So 120 and 120 and 1200. Next, wages. We'll see the wages. Okay, how much is the wages under the production? See, already calculation of wages under the production. How much? 300 for 100 units and 3000 for 1000 units. Next, machine expenses. Under the machine expenses, at the time of the setting up over, at the time of production, see, 100 units means 500 and 1000 units means 5000. Okay, you have to total is 920. 920 divided by 9. Okay, 920 divided by 100. Here 9200 divided by 1000. Okay, this is about the and the cost per unit is how much? 920 divided by 9.2 is the 2. So total is how much? 1032 total cost. Cost per unit is how much? 10.32 and the okay, and for 1000 units total is 9312 and per unit is 9.31. Okay, next we'll see the one more problem under this. See the page number 5, question number 18. Okay, 18. See, same type of problem. Component B is made entirely in cost center 100. Material cost is ₹6 per component. Each component takes 10 minutes to produce. The machine operator is paid 7.20 per hour and the machine hour rate is ₹4.50. The setting up of machine to produce component B takes 2 hours and 20 minutes. And on the basis of this information, prepare cost sheet showing the production and selling up costs both in total and per component, assuming that a batch consists of 100 components and 200 components. Okay, it's similar to last problem. Okay, just will glance. Okay, component B. First we have to calculate the calculation of time taken for setting up. 2 hours 20 minutes is equal to 140 minutes or 140 divided by 60. How much? 2.33 hours. Next, calculation of time taken for the production. Okay. Under that first one, time required for the 100 units. Okay. 1 unit equal to 10 minutes. Then 100 units equal to how much? 1000 minutes divided by 60, 16.67 minutes. Then time required for the 200 units. 1 product means 10 minutes. 200 means 2000. 2000 at the time of converting to the hours, it's how many hours? Under the wages to first setting up of the at the time of setting up, at the time of the production. Okay, setting up of the machine, time required into wages. Time required 2.33 hours into wage. How much is the wage? ₹7. Okay, 7.20. 7. See the problem. Okay. Okay. For setting up the machine, 2.33 hours into 7.20 per hour means 16.78 or 16.80. Next, for a production of components, okay, at the time of production of the two types of component, 100 and 200. Okay, production of the components 16.67 into 7.20 equal to 120.02, and for 200 units 33.33 hours into 7.20. Okay, how much? 239.97 equal to 240. Next, calculation of machine expenses. Under the machine expense at the time of the setting up of the machine, 2.33 equal setting up cost is how much? Machine expense how much? 4.50. Machine hour rate 4.50. 2.33 into 4.50 is equal to 10.49 or 10.50. Then at the time of the production, 100 units and 200 units, 100 units 16.67 into 4.50 into 4.50 is equal to 150. Okay, next just prepare the cost sheet. Cost sheet for 100 and 200 units. Component P. First you need to find out the setting of cost. It is a fixed cost, so it will similar to both the components. So how much? 16.80 and machine expenses is already calculated. How much? 10.50. So total 27.30. Per unit is nothing but 27.30 divided by 100 units. Okay, next 200 units same, the setting up cost is same. Next, production expenses, it is a variable. Under the production, material, wages and machine expenses. Okay, materials, see the problem, how much is the material? See, units into rupees 6, units 100 into rupees 6, how much? 600. Then wages, it's already calculated 120. Machine expenses already calculated 75. And per unit 600 divided by 100, 120 divided by 100, 75 divided by 100. And under the this also same, 200 into 6, 1200. Materials, wages 240 and machine expenses 130. So we have to find out the per unit. Then you get the, just totally you will get the total of 82.8 or and 8.087. Okay, this is about the problems under the batch costing. Okay, you just refer the question bank and just see all the problems. Okay, from next class we will start with the problems under the job costing. Before that, okay, this is problem number 16 and problem number 16 and problem number 19. Problem number 16 and problem number 19 are the homework. They are similar to these problems. Okay, these two problems. Okay, you just write down all the questions before the answer in the notes. Okay, first write the question by referring the PDF. Okay, write the questions, then write the answer. Okay, one by one you should write the questions as well as answer in your particular note. Okay, in tomorrow's class we'll start with the problems under the job costing. Thank you.